Welcome back, brothers. Today we're going to be unboxing these ISR Long Tube Headers for my 370Z. It's not a Mustang, it's a 370Z. Let's get to it.
How would you like to win this car?
Yeah, boy!
For the price of this sticker.
That's a good deal.
Why long tube headers, you ask? Well, with a combination of V-Vel and these VQ engines, you can create a mini supercharging effect for massive power gains. That's why you should go long tube headers in your VQ. And why ISR? Well, these are great quality build of long tube headers, and they're affordable. I got this for just over $600, and that's cheap for long tube headers.
That's a good deal.
Here's Johnny. Oh yeah, would you look at that?
Yeah, boy!
That's quality right there. Baby, you're about to get a lot of loving. Let's check out one, why don't we? See how quality it is. If it is quality at all for 600 and something change dollars. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Ready? Here we go. Oh, that's a little tougher than I thought. No, I would say that's actually pretty good quality for $600. Yeah, baby. So why long tube headers, you ask? Well, on the VQs from the factory, we do get headers as exhaust manifolds, but they are very restrictive. I mean, you can look right in here. You can look how, ugly and not well ported the actual runners are. So when you go into aftermarket exhaust manifolds, long tube headers, they clean up pretty nice. You get a lot of good exhaust flow. And with the VQs having V-Vel, you need that exhaust scavenging to get massive amounts of power. So I would definitely go long tube headers over test pipes any day of the week. Just combining a V-Vel with exhaust scavenging in the long tube pipes, you're gonna make a lot of power. Yeah, dude. And lastly, why ISR over any other major brand like Motordyne or PPE? Well, these are just under half the price of Motordyne headers. Wanna know how I know that? I own Motordyne long tube headers as well. And if you want factual evidence on how these hold up against a well-known brand like Motordyne, I am a tuner, and in a future video, if you follow along, I'll be putting this in the Z, tuning it, see how much power it gains, and then I'll take it out, swap in the Motordyne, tune that, and see how much power it gains. So you'll have factual evidence on how the ISR headers at half the price hold up against the Motordyne headers. So follow us, subscribe, and get ready for that video. Catch you later, brothers.